If you're new to hunting, you may be wondering, where do I even begin? The answer is simple: hunter education. So before you grab your gear and head into the woods, you need to take a hunter education course first. It could save your life, protect wildlife, and make you a responsible hunter. Let's find out why hunter education isn't just important, it's essential. And I'll show you how you can sign up for it. At the end of this video, I've got a free resource for you to help you get started hunting this year. Be sure to stick around. Why does hunter education even matter? Hunter education isn't just a requirement in most states. It's a vital part in protecting yourself, others, and the wildlife we cherish. Here's what you'll gain from it. You'll learn firearm safety, such as the 4 primary firearm safety rules. They are drilled into every course, ensuring you know how to handle a weapon properly and drastically reducing hunting accidents. Courses teach firearm handling, safe shooting practices, and the importance of knowing your target before pulling the trigger. You'll also learn hunting ethics. A true hunter isn't just skilled, they're ethical. It's not about just knowing the law. It's about obeying the laws, respecting wildlife, fellow hunters, the land, and always ensuring a clean, ethical shot. You'll learn survival skills, from first aid to navigating the backcountry. Hunter education prepares you for the unexpected in the field. You'll learn wildlife conservation. The North American model of wildlife conservation is at the heart of hunting regulations. Knowing how your actions impact wildlife populations is key to preserving the sport for future generations. And knowledge is power. You wouldn't head into the mountains without a map, right? Hunting is the same way. Knowing your equipment, understanding conservation efforts, and following ethical hunting practices separate a responsible hunter from a reckless one. You might be wondering how hunter education is funded. It's not just the government. It is hunters like us. Every time you buy firearms, ammunition, or hunting gear, a portion of your money goes directly to funding hunter education programs. Thanks to the Pittman-Robertson Act, these funds help fund hunter safety programs, habitat conservation, wildlife management programs nationwide, and even public shooting ranges. And here's the best part. These funds don't just help hunters. They also benefit all outdoor enthusiasts, from hikers to birdwatchers. So what will you learn in a hunter education course? A hunter education course covers everything you need to know to start hunting safely and responsibly. You'll learn firearm and archery equipment basics, ammunition selection and handling, safe shooting techniques, hunting strategies and game identification, wilderness survival skills, hunting laws and regulations. Most states offer online courses and or in-person field days to get hands-on experience before heading into the field. If you're serious about hunting, hunter education is the first step and the most important one. It's not about just following the law. It's about making sure you, your fellow hunters, and future generations can enjoy the sport safely and ethically. Hunter education isn't just about safety. It's about involvement. The future of hunting depends on ethical hunters giving back. That means teaching the next generation, working with landowners, and respecting game laws. Because let's face it, if we don't take care of our hunting heritage, who will? At the end of the day, hunter education isn't just about passing a test. It's about keeping our traditions alive, hunting safely, and respecting the wildlife we pursue. Whether you're a first-time hunter or a seasoned outdoorsman, investing in hunter education is investing in the future of hunting. If you haven't taken a hunter course education course yet, make it a priority. If you have, consider mentoring someone new to the sport, because responsible hunters ensure that hunting doesn't just survive, it thrives. So are you ready to start your journey? Find a hunter education course in your state, get certified, and take the first step to becoming a responsible hunter. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more hunting tips, and drop a comment below. What was your biggest takeaway from hunter education? Until next time, stay safe, stay ethical. Let's get shifted. And now for the free resource to get you started hunting this year in your state. In the description of this video is a link to a clickable PDF file that links to hunter education and your state's hunting website. All you have to do is click the link. Your adventure begins now. Let's get shifted.